In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide emails in your Gmail inbox. This is a straightforward process, yet it can significantly improve your email management and reduce inbox clutter, which is something we all could use in our busy digital lives. Let's dive right into the steps you'll need to follow to achieve this tidy change in your Gmail experience. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. Once there, in the search bar, type in "How to hide emails in your Gmail inbox" and press enter. This search should bring up a list of results. Click on the most relevant link, which should take you to a detailed guide or blog post offering instructions on how to hide emails within your Gmail. This step is essential because it provides context and validation of the steps we'll be using. Once you have the instructions open, you can switch to your Gmail account. If you are not already logged in, sign in using your credentials. After logging in, direct your attention to the Gmail search bar at the top of the page. Here, you'll use special Gmail search operators, which are a powerful feature that Google offers to help organize and navigate your email. The key operator you need to know in this mission to hide emails is the archive feature. By archiving emails, they are removed from your inbox but are not deleted. This means you can access them later, but won't see them clogging up your primary inbox view. To archive emails manually, you'll click the checkbox next to the email you want to hide. At the top of your email list, you'll notice several icon options. Click on the Archive button, which is usually depicted as a small box with an arrow pointing downwards into it. Congratulations, you've successfully moved the email out of your inbox. If you need to find it again, you can do so by checking the All Mail label, accessible from the left-hand side menu in Gmail. For those looking to automate this process, creating a filter that automatically archives certain emails is the way to go. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner and select See All Settings. Navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Choose Create a New Filter, enter the criteria for the emails you want to hide, and then check the Skip the Inbox, Archive It box before saving. And there you have it. You've learned how to effectively hide emails in your Gmail inbox. This simple routine can be a game changer in maintaining email clarity and focus. Remember, you're not deleting these emails, just moving them out of sight. This way, you can maintain a clutter-free inbox while still keeping your emails accessible whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.